Assalamualaikum guys, आज हमारा टॉपिक है briefly discuss the history of computer. First, abacus. Abacus is a counting frame invented in 5000 years ago in 3000 BC. It was invented in Asia Minor. It is a system of sliding beads arranged in a row. It performs addition and subtraction, used to teach basic arithmetic operations. Second, Napier's bone 1612 AD. Napier's bone was invented in 1612 AD. It was invented in Netherlands by a Scottish mathematician named as John Napier. It is made up of set of 10 rods with marked number on them. It makes compilation by placing 10 rods. It performs multiplication and division. Third, Pascal line or Pascal's calculator. French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented Pascal line in 1612 AD. It is mechanical calculator. He developed this machine to help his father in text calculation. It performs addition and subtraction by 8-figure log. User have to adjust total 8 wheels for performing calculation. It was invented in France. It is a rectangular having 8 movable. It calculates text collection. Fourth, Babbage difference engine. Babbage difference engine was invented in 1822 AD by English mathematician. He was mechanical engineer. He was also known as father of computer because he developed the first computer. It also have a mechanical storage memory. It also it allows user to enter calculation and get printed resolution to able form. It solves different calculation. It is also known as automated mechanical calculation. Thanks.